Sorry, ano? Hindi. Sige, wala kang...
Kaya ko mag-project. Hi. Hi, Coach. Hi, Piolo. To Piolo, you lead a very busy life and to inspire others with equally hectic life to incorporate training in their exercise. Can you please share with us, kung hindi secret, yung training mo to prepare for like this Timex run?
Honestly, in training kasi part of my lifestyle. So I just don't train for a race. Sa akin regular siya. It's part of my daily schedule. After working out at home, if I have time to go to UP, let's say, kasi I live in QC, I do a short distance.
What time is your training schedule, Piolo? May we know? Nakasabay kasi Piolo natin, pero syempre hindi nakilala si Running Horse. Sorry. Any hint? Sa gabi, di ba?
Like, but distance, I suppose as vloggers, no, we're not gonna stalk you.
No. It's okay.
No, we're thinking more of like, what's your average mileage per week? Do you do quality training or do you just do easy runs, long runs?
I vary. I do minsan tempo, nag-sprint ako, minsan I do long distance. So it depends on the time that I have. But I make sure that I do tempo or I do speed training within a week. And then I do short distances, spread out within the week.
Thank you.
Running longer distances such as full marathon or ultra marathons in the future?
Nag-register po ako sa Berlin sa September. So that will be my first full marathon. I'm excited for it. This is the easiest among the 5 major runs.
Berlin now, Berlin.
Samahan niyo ako. Dala natin ang Timex na, dala natin ang Team Philippines and Timex. So I'm excited. Because I really want to make this as part of my life, yung running. So I'm starting it with a full marathon in Berlin. And I hopefully, ma-conquer ko yung 4 pa. Berlin, mahirap yun kasi si Coach Rio lang nakakapasok doon. But yun, sa Boston. Sa Berlin, yun yung yes, so sa Boston, si Coach Rio lang ang doon, nakakapasok doon. So hopefully magawa ko yung majors. Pero I'll start it with the full marathon and that'll be my first full in Berlin in September.
Thank you.
So, Piolo, to follow up that question, so are you targeting any time for a Piolo marathon?
Target ko yung time na umabot ako sa finish line. Target ko nagising pa ako at buhay pa ako, umabot ako sa finish line.
Any rough time that you're targeting?
Siguro 4 hours lang.
Wow.
4 hours is good. Yeah.